All right, everybody, it is Tips and Tricks Tuesday, and today we're going over the door gasket seal. So as our primary burn season is over, we are testing our seal out. As you can see here, there's a little bit of buildup on the door at the bottom there, and over time, as the seal tends to break down, cold air comes into the stove, creating a little bit more of a cloudy look to your glass. And to test this today, we're going to do the dollar bill test. So the dollar bill test, for those of you that are unfamiliar, is you take a piece of paper that's roughly the size of a dollar bill, you close the door and latch it with the paper in between the front face of the stove and the door, and you just pull gently along several places, testing the seal to see if it has resistance or if it is no longer resistant in that area. Okay, after doing the dollar bill test, if we find that we do have a loose seal, the next action would be adjusting our latch plate here. These two bolts, you just loosen those up and the plate is adjustable. So we'll push this all the way back in the far back position. And by doing this, we'll tighten it up again and redo the dollar bill test. If it's still a looser seal, then we recommend taking the current gasket out and replace it with new gasket moving forward. We hope this helps, and we hope you tune in for more Tips and Tricks Tuesdays.